From dusk till dawn, I turn my speakers on. Why they wanna play with the king? I told them meet LeBron. There's darkness in my city, wrong moves, and you won't see the sun. They be talking loud, but never been where the creatures hunt. And bleed for this dream, so why your eyes closed? Been running through the pain. Look at me and now my strides go. Every single scar on my skin, another milestone. Battles in the dark came out shining with the lights on. Look, but I don't think they listening. I don't think they heard me. I don't think they listening. Nah, I don't think they heard me.
As above, so below. So it goes, so it goes. Try not to disrupt the flow. Be water, let it go. Cause underneath it all it's empty. You'll have to wait and see for yourself. Cause all this glamour can be tempting. And in the end it's you and no one else. Say less and learn more. In observation you can absorb the beauty that surrounds you. Cause what you see is how it sounds to you. No, I don't think you're listening. Yeah, I don't think you heard me. Yeah, I don't think you're listening. No, I don't think you heard me.
Tell them listen up, every single word a load of clip and I don't miss enough. Mirror on the mic so when I rap it's just a different us. Pressure in my pen can turn the diamond back to kitten dust. I told y'all, I'm done playing, I'm going animal. Doing damage, get in my way, you'll be collateral. Blood in every bar, just let the ink fill up the catacombs. Pray for the prey, cause every day is a sabbatical. I don't think they're listening. No, I don't think they heard me. I don't think they're listening. No, I don't think they heard me.
Hopping to London, not stopping for nothing. If not, I'll say it and go on my own. Stopping discussions and popping the button. See all of this running will damage your dome. Some of them rocking won't stopping from suffering. Not stopping to ask why they back to the bone. Suddenly stubborn, they huffing and puffing and waiting for signs to come back to the home. Building my prophecy, steady shielding democracy. Pressure, feel it on top of me. Routine repeating monotony. Where there's wealth, there'll be poverty. Burning hell to the monastery, yeah. Never speak of misogyny. Synesthesia, mahogany, yeah. Matter of time. Birds won't sing if you scatter those lies. Burnt no bridges, I damaged those ties. Learned something from the man I hold tight. Earned my ting, I've been at it all night. I speak on the matter, no deep in it. Cause I'm deep in the rhythm, alright, alright, alright. Got a right to prevail, step inside of my shell, no more fighting the L's. How many times did they cry for this help? Hear the sirens in hell, got me biting my nails. Yeah, they like me to fail, but I'm riding the waves and not fighting myself. I'm hyper inside, can't wait for the CBD to arrive in the mail. Yeah, great ties, but I wouldn't fail. No. Grey skies, but I couldn't tell. No. Same guys will be shining in hell. Yeah. So let me get it out this way. Pain's like a stab from 1,000 blades. Lost track of self and I lost track of time, but I can see clear now my crown's in place. I will never go back to the doubting phase. Open my heart to this countless ways. Don't get me started, I hope to depart when I feel like my soul has been doused in flames. Ever faithful, always feeling hella grateful. Till I sell another 8 ball. Spend the limit on the table. Double digit on a label. Sit, when will this end? Can't pretend I'm them. Got my head in this stable. All my weaponry fatal. Yeah, all this weaponry fatal. Hopping to London, not stopping for nothing. If not, I say get and go on my own. Stop the discussions and popping the button. See all of this running will damage your dome. Some of them rocking won't stopping from suffering. Not stopping to ask why they back to the bone. Suddenly stubborn, they huffing and puffing and waiting for signs to come back to the home. Hopping to London, not stopping for nothing. If not, I'll say it and go on my own. Stop the discussions and popping the button. See all of this running will damage your dome. Some of them rocking won't stopping from suffering. Not stopping to ask why they back to the bone. Suddenly stubborn, they huffing and puffing and waiting for signs to come back to the hole.